Alright, she's coming around the side there. Willie? Willie?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Aww. Yeah.
Oh, she's our little girl. Do we have more people that need dogs? We all need dogs. Okay, then you need to form a line up here. And then if it's a puppy, you get him here. If it's a big dog, you get him in the back. So form your line up here.
Hi.
Absolutely.
Oh, let's take her for a walk. Hi, Mia. You too? You nervous?
I think she's a little scared.
Hi.
A sweet little girl. Little baby girl.
I didn't cry this much when I proposed to you. I'm just kidding.
Oh, you have it taping? Oh, she's giving you kisses. She's kissing you.
Hi.
Oh, hi, sweet baby girl. Oh,
You're so
you're going to be
cute.
so happy with us. So happy with us.
You're so calm and nice, aren't you?
Here, let's let her run. Are you taking her?
Hi, Mia.
Hi, little girl.
Hi.
Hey, little Mia. Hi, little sweetheart. Oh my goodness, you are the cutest thing in the world. Oh. I cried more when you proposed
Yeah, you did.
to me, but I'm pretty happy now. Oh, look at her. Lord, she is so... She didn't pee on me or anything. Such a good girl. Oh. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Mia.
Look at your little tail.
I am in love. Oh, hi, little baby. Hi, sweet baby girl. Oh, she is so cute and she's ours.
Okay, Aaron. Let's tape more later.
Okay, I love